Kuringana na muikariri gitwa maria maturigiciirie nwe Daniel Osoi, watho uyu ukite thutha wa gukorwo gutari na watho wa kurugamirira wenji na wendia wa muthanga kuuma kaunti-ini ino.
We register in circles just like the matatus so that they can be controlled and we know where they are coming from and therefore they can also abide by the rules the county sets.
Gucungirira mathina maya riu maabitha guthurima wendia na wenji wa muthanga ni megukorwo magitigirira watho uyu ni wahingio.
Put systems in place to make sure that it is normalized. There has not been actually normalcy in the practice, but for the few days we have come in place and agreed with the ministry that we fall under and the office of the governor. We have streamlined. One thing, we have said that there is no overloading.
Watho ucio kwambiriria ihinda ria thiku 7 ciukite kuria anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini ruru magathiriirie ikinya riu kuona nere kuguna onjoria muthanga mwena ucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, riakwa ni njamba njithi Wairobi wa Gatuma.